I got my baby back, baby back, baby back. I got my baby back, baby back, baby back. I got my baby back, baby back, baby back. Mean Streak, I'm so glad you're here. I got my baby back. Hey y'all. So normally, excuse my hair, I've got helmet head. Normally, around the first of the week lately, I've been doing a beer review, beer porn. But if you've seen anything I've posted since like Friday or Saturday, I had a horrible outbreak of gout. And I can walk now, but it's still tender. So the last thing I want to do is drink anything with alcohol. Except maybe some Irish cream in my coffee. So no beer this week, or seafood, or anything else that may drive up my uric acid levels, which is an aggravating factor in gout. Proteins, anyway, that's enough for today's medical lesson. But I know you still, you're crooked. Why are you crooked? Now you're crooked the other way. You're still crooked. You're a bubble off plum. Right, Baja? So anyway, no beer reviews, but we've got some Crystal Geyser natural Alpine spring water. I keep a bottle of water in the fridge, something I picked up from my grandpa. But I don't even want cold water because I've had a toothache too, which is better. But so bottled at the source, wherever the source is, I don't know. But wait, there's more. We've got some great value real brewed sweet tea drink enhancer. Being a southern boy, I love my sweet tea. So we give a little squirt. Look at that. Look. So it's got a good color. There's no aroma, no viscosity. Let's give it a little shake here. May have been too weak of a squeeze. No. Yeah, no. So, I'm getting neutral. That's my co-host. She wants to add her 2 cents. Neutral with a hint of tea, a hint of, I'm going to adjust a pinch more. A hint of sweetness. It's got a good neutral mouthfeel. It basically tastes like tea sweetened water. I think you get the hint. It's water with sweet tea and a Baja kicker. So that's what we've got today. We've got a bike back. I got my baby back, baby back, baby back. I got my baby back, baby back. We got a ball. We've got gout on the mend, and we've got water. Hope your day's going as well as mine. Have a great day and a great apocalypse, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!